Once there was a little girl, Lily, who was very friendly and popular in her class. She was friends with everyone in her class. There was no one in class who didn't like her. She was very kind and would always be busy with her friends. She felt very happy that she had so many friends at school and in her neighborhood. On Friendship Day, their class organized an event in which everyone had to make 3 presents and give them to their best friends. Lily was very happy for coming Friendship Day and was expecting gifts from her friends. However, when all presents were shared among classmates, she was only one who hadn't received any present. She felt terrible and cried a lot. She thought to herself that how is it possible she had made so much efforts to be friends with everyone and making so many friends, but in end no one think of her as one of their best friends. Everyone came and tried to console her for a while, but each one only stayed for a short time before leaving. This was exactly what Lily had done so many times to others. On that day, when she got home, seeing her sad face, when her mother asked her reason for her sadness, she questioned, "Where can I find true friends?" Mother was surprised at her question. When Mother inquired, Lily told about her day in school. Her mother consoled her and said, "You cannot buy friends with a smile or a few good words. If you really want true friends, you will have to give them real time and affection. For a true friend, you must always be available in good times and bad." Lily replied, "But I want to be friends with everyone." Her mother consoled her and replied, "My dear, you are a lovely girl, but you can't be a close friend to everyone. There just isn't enough time to be available for everyone. So it's only possible to have a few true friends. The others will be playmates or acquaintances, but they won't be close friends." Hearing this, Lily realized that she was a good companion and acquaintance, but she has not been a true friend to anyone. She had tried not to argue with anyone. She had tried to pay attention to everyone, but now she had found out that that was not enough to create true friends. Lily decided to change her ways and thought that how she could make true friends. Just thinking about that, she realized that her mother was always willing to help her. She put up with all of Lily's dislikes and problems. She always forgave her and loved her a great deal. Lily smiled from ear to ear, realizing that she already had the best friend anyone could ever want.